Welcome to the latest from IOVOX. Did you miss a call worth 365,000 euros? Some companies did. In a recent analysis, we found that 51% of inbound calls never reached a human. The good news? IOVOX AI voice agents work around the clock, so you never miss another opportunity. In huge news, IOVOX has acquired HeyGuest, a UK-based conversational AI platform built specifically for the hospitality industry. HeyGuest now operates as a dedicated IOVOX division, and both teams are already solving the hospitality industry's greatest challenges. And finally, IOVOX is proud to be the platinum sponsor of this year's Property Portal Watch Asia Pacific Conference happening in Bangkok, March 17th to 19th. Ryan Gallagher will be presenting his talk, Understand the Data, Own the Future. If you're going to be there, Ryan and Tim would love to connect. Details are in the newsletter. If you're ready to take the next step, we've got 3 links for you in our newsletter. Reach out to Matt Gaillard, our CCO, to find out how IOVOX AI voice agents can work for your business. Read the full HeyGuest announcement and learn more about our new technologies at this link, or set up a meeting with Ryan and Tim in Bangkok by clicking here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month with more updates from IOVOX. Better data, better results.